Using Canvas Envision's Flowchart feature, I am able to construct a quick reference sheet for troubleshooting malfunctioning drones. To make the flowchart process more efficient, I start by going to the View tab and the Show and Enable ribbon. I select Smart Snaps as this allows me to easily align my objects when creating my flowchart. To begin, I access the Draw tab and select a rectangle shape under the Draw Tools ribbon. Then I drag the object onto my page. Next, I go to the View tab and select both the symbols and the flowchart text box in the Panes ribbon. The two panes will then appear on both ends of my screen. You can create a flowchart by using basic shapes or symbols from the Symbols pane under the My Flowchart Symbols tab. Today, I'm using the rectangle that is currently on my screen. My flowchart needs 7 boxes, so I can select paths from the flowchart pane to create them, or I can hover my mouse over my rectangle until the purple arrow appears and add objects this way. After all of my rectangles are made, I can change their fill colors and features in the Draw tab and Shape Styles ribbon. I also need to change the line types. I can select the lines I want to edit and go to the Smart Line tab and Types ribbon on the left corner of my screen. Here I will change the line types. Now that the foundation of my flowchart is completed, I can add a title and context to it. For my reference sheet, I need to add text to the connecting lines by clicking on the lines and typing. I'm also going to add text to the boxes by clicking on the rectangles and typing as well. It is important that I add a 3D model of the drone type on this reference sheet. Luckily, Envision allows me to add 3D models easily by going to the Home tab and selecting 3D Models from the Place and Draw ribbon. After inserting my model, I can resize it to fit into my flowchart boxes. I specifically want to isolate the propellers on this drone. To do this, I can right-click on my model and select Isolate to reveal the exact part of the drone I want to include in my flowchart. Then I can select Exit on the ribbon and resize the propellers to fit into my flowchart by selecting the handles. Now I am adding the rest of the text and 3D models of my drone to the flowchart. The last step to creating this reference sheet is to add images of what the functioning drone should look like. I can right-click on the boxes and select Image Fill. Then I can access my images and insert the correct pictures into my document. Before finalizing my page, I can go to the Home tab and the Find ribbon. Then I can select Spell Check to make any necessary grammar and spelling corrections to my document. Now I have successfully created a visual diagram for troubleshooting malfunctioning drones. I can add this to my cloud so that my coworkers have access to the file and can manipulate the 3D models on their own devices.